Hello viewers, now I will show how to change Facebook privacy setting. First of all, you log in your Facebook account. Here I already log in. Then you go to the setting. Now you see the privacy. Click the privacy. Then privacy and setting and tools. Who can see your future post? Now have a public. If you want to change, click the edit. Then you change the option if you want to. You can select only me also. Only you see your post. Other people or other friends do not show see your post and close. Now I'll show timeline and tagging, how to change the activity. Timeline and tagging, who can post on your timeline. Now have a friend, you can change only me, or friend can also post your timeline. Tagging, who can post, then you change the option. You can select everyone can tag you, only friend mm, to tag you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, share and comment. Press the bell icon.